Hey, what's up guys? John from johnmcneil.com here. And in this video today, I'm actually going to be breaking down everything that you need to have and everything that you need to do in order to generate $100 per day online with your affiliate marketing online business. Now, most of the people that I speak to online, some of my students, this coveted number of $100 a day is usually like the initial goal that everybody's trying to get to. And today in this video, I really want to break down what you need to have and what you need to do consistently on a day-to-day basis in order to start generating $100 a day. But first, I actually wanted to just log into my Thrive account just to see how much I generated today with my online business. So we're going to just log in and hit sign in. And as you can see, this is live. I just refreshed it again. And you can see that I've generated $177.30 with my online business today. And it's just the start of the day. And again, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually start generating $100 a day with your affiliate marketing business. I'm going to leave no stone unturned. We're going to start this video right now. All right, guys, so we're going to jump right into this video. And like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys what you need to have first. I'm just going to kind of type it out for you really quickly. And then I'm actually going to show you some practical examples of some different funnels that I'm using currently in my business to generate income. So just bear with me here. And at the end of the video, I'm definitely going to show you guys the funnel and everything that I'm using to generate that $177 that you saw at the beginning of the video. So the first thing that you're going to need if you want to generate 100 plus per day is you're going to need a high converting offer. So that's one of the first things you're going to need. And when I talk about a high converting offer, I'm really just talking about an irresistible offer that many people want to go ahead and take action on. So if you're getting 100 visitors to a particular offer, that just merely means that if it's high converting, 2, 3, 4% people will go ahead and take action and purchase that offer. And whether that's immediately they purchase or maybe they do it over the course of a couple weeks with follow-up emails. But if you're converting that traffic into sales and you can do that like 2 to 3, 4 sales every 100 visitors, I would consider that a high converting offer. The next thing you're going to need is you're going to need traffic, of course, because no money is made without traffic. And then you're also going to need a 2-step funnel. So I'm going to put 2-step funnel. So this is really all you need to generate $100 a day. I know it's super simple, right? So just a high converting offer with traffic. I would always suggest that you get 2 traffic sources. So you're going to have one paid traffic source and one free. So in terms of paid traffic sources, I've been using solo ads a lot. So those are basically like email drops or media buys. And then in terms of free traffic, I've been using like social media. So this is going to be like your Twitter. This is going to be like your YouTube. You guys are watching me on YouTube right now. And so this is how I've been getting free traffic. And this is how I've been getting paid traffic. And what you really want to try to do is you want to try to get at least 100 visitors to your offer every day, right? So when we talk about this high converting offer right here, you want to try to get at least 100 visitors to your offer every single day if possible. Now, again, you can use both of these methods to try to get that and say, you know, you start off using paid methods, and then while you're using some paid traffic strategies, you're also kind of building up some social media so that you can also be getting clicks from your different social media. So that could be Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you're using to kind of build up some sort of following so you can at least get some free traffic. And both of these are very powerful in terms of garnering leads and building some trust and rapport, as well as converting on these offers as well. But essentially, you know, even if you're not getting a ton of traffic like on a particular day with paid traffic, well, then you have like your free traffic kicking in. And then sometimes if your free traffic is only bringing in a couple clicks, then you can amp up your paid traffic. And ideally, you want to just have both of them working in conjunction so that with the two of them, you're at least getting at least 100 visitors a day to this high converting offer. So let's look at what a good two-step funnel looks like. It doesn't really have to be anything fancy or anything like extravagant. Like, I'm not a tech super guy or anything like that. So my funnels are very simple. A lot of times I don't even put my funnels together because I hate tech, right? So if you know me, you know that I hate tech, and I'm like the least amount of technical person you ever meet. The only thing I really know how to work is my autoresponder. So I do know how to send out emails, right? So let's go to look at a couple funnels. And I just kind of want to show you guys what this kind of looks like in real life. And let's just do that right now. All right, so I jumped over to one of my funnels that I promote, right? So this is a funnel, and I actually had this made, and it says, I'll show you a proven method to making 10K online in the next 90 days, right? So basically, it's just a video, right? So this is what we call like a branded funnel, because I'm actually showing myself. And you don't have to do this. And I'm actually, the way that I made this generated that $177. I was not branding myself. I actually just kind of plugged into a system, which I'm going to show you guys here in a second, but I'm just kind of showing you guys an example. So this is like the opt-in page. So this is where people are going to come. They're going to put in their name and email address. And of course, this is a little copy here just to saying, hey, you're going to get access to the exact blueprint that can take your business from $0 to $10,000 in the next 90 days. And so what ends up happening is once they say, okay, I'm going to opt in and see this video, it says, show me how to make the 10K. And then it goes over to what we call a squeeze page or thank you page. I'm sorry. And then this is the thank you page. And this is where I actually do a video. And in this video, I kind of break down like a blueprint or a schematic of how you can actually generate 10K in the next 90 days, right? And I go through some different components, and I'm doing some stuff on a whiteboard. I'm drawing some stuff out here. And then of course, I'm recommending something that's going to make it super simple and easy for them to go ahead and start making money, right? So what this offer is, it's a high converting offer because it's very cheap on the front end. So I believe it's like $7 on the front end to actually start accessing like a whole affiliate platform. But the cool thing about this whole affiliate platform is it has like a hub of other products and services that people will naturally kind of gravitate toward and actually purchase into. So then I make a lot more money. So as I drive traffic, right, to this page, people opt in. Okay, of course, I've got their email now, so I can continue to follow up with those folks. But then they would actually go over to my thank you page. They'll watch my video. Hopefully, they'll get some value from it. And, I start building some trust and rapport with them. And then they'll go ahead and click this button. They'll see my offer. They'll say, well, wow, this is cool. And it's only $7. Let me go and jump on that. So that's why I call it like an irresistible high converting offer. So let's look at one more. And here's another one. This is one that I've actually just recently done for my traffic business. So this is an ebook right here that says how to get consistent buyer traffic to your website and get new customers sales every single day. And so basically I'm giving away a ebook. So in this example, I'm giving away an ebook. In the last example, I was giving away a free video, right? So this video is just going to show you how to get consistent buyer traffic to your website. Everybody wants to know how to get traffic. So essentially they would opt in to learn how to get traffic. Once they enter in their email address, they would get this report. But before they actually even get the report, of course, it goes to a thank you page. And of course, I have a one-time offer here, which is a video of me selling a starter traffic package of solo ads. I'm a solo ad vendor as well. And so what's irresistible about this offer is that, typically I sell my traffic for 68 cents per click. But if you're just starting out with me, I have this starter package where you can actually buy it for $34. So it's like 50% off to get 100 clicks to your website. So, and again, that's an irresistible offer. But again, this is kind of just leading them down a path because, okay, if you get the 100 clicks for $34, which is super cheap, but if you have great results and you have a good experience with me, then of course you're going to come back and buy more. And when you buy more, you're going to buy at a higher rate. Therefore, I'll end up making a lot more money kind of like on the back end, right? So it's just a way of kind of getting people in, you're building a list, you're building trust, you're building rapport, and then you're going to be making money consistently as you drive traffic to these different funnels, right? So the money just doesn't stop here at this $34. These people, a lot of them become consistent repeat buyers, and they continue to buy package after package after package, and that's all within the whole funnel. So I thought I wanted to show you like the funnel that I actually made the $177, and this was the funnel that I was using. And so this was a non-branded funnel. This is a funnel that I literally just kind of plugged into somebody. Actually, it's a free funnel. You know, you guys, I'll have the link in the description for this particular funnel, but it's free. And essentially, you can have this same funnel. It gives you the opportunity to actually have this page hosted for you. This is a two-step funnel, and you can actually build your list for free. You know, you can actually hook it up with your autoresponder and start building your list for free. But it also gives you an option to license the funnel and get some training and get emails and some other things that come along with it for, you know, a fee. And so that's what I've been promoting, and this is what just caused me to make that $177 today. And, you know, I've been making almost $177 almost every single day with this particular funnel. So ideally, you know, you just drive traffic. It has follow-up. It has training on, you know, how to get traffic in the back office and everything. And so a lot of people are going ahead and taking up this offer because it's simple, it works, it's high converting, and it teaches you how to build your list and just kind of continue to get traffic. So this is the actual funnel that I'm using, and it's not branded specifically to me, but through the follow-ups, obviously, you can build a relationship with your leads. And I really recommend you guys to just don't be afraid to mail your leads. I mean, just in being a solo ad vendor, you know, here as of late, you know, talking to a lot of clients, you know, a lot of people are afraid to mail their leads because they either don't know what to say or they just think that they're going to opt out or whatever the case may be. And that's just really a scarcity mindset. Like, if you don't mail them, they're just going to sit there, right? And you're paying for it, right? You have an autoresponder, you're paying for it. So you have to mail them, you know, because if you're not mailing them, I guarantee you somebody else is mailing them, and they're probably making a lot of money with people that are on your list. Obviously, you want to send good offers, send good content, send things that, you know, you yourself would want to purchase and buy into, but by all means, you can't be afraid to mail, even if you have a follow-up sequence. Somebody asked me the other day, you know, I have a follow-up sequence, you know, should I mail them? Yeah, you do. You mail them. And so I do that regardless whether they're in a follow-up sequence or not. You know, I'm mailing my list. If not every day, sometimes not every day, but definitely a few times a week, I'm definitely mailing my list. And if I have something to say, I will mail every day. So it's not like this thing where I'm only mailing 3 times per week because I'm afraid that people are going to opt out. Like if I have something to say, if I have something to promote, or I have some content that I'm going to send, I'm going to mail regardless. So I hope this video helped, guys. So again, the things you need is a high converting offer. You need a two-step funnel, and you need traffic, right? So those are the couple things that you need. I'm actually going to leave a link for this system for you guys. If you don't have a system that's easy to plug into that you can actually build your list, I'll leave a link for this system too. And I hope this video helped. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Let me know if you guys have high converting offers that you think that you're selling, and if there's anything else about this whole process that you think you need clarification or more content that I can actually make for you guys. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that like button below. I'm creating this content for you guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.